government has neglected Tamil Nadu, and since the election is nearing and the defeat is inevitable, this Tamil Nadu has been neglected is what he has said.
See, it shows his inability to understand the budget. It shows his immaturity. To welcome a budget which has given a huge chunk to Tamil Nadu in many schemes. Rare earth mineral corridor, which is going to come up in South India, particularly in Tamil Nadu, which is going to help the EV sector, the automobile sector, which is going to help, the defense sector, where we have defense corridor in Tamil Nadu. Many industries are going to, flourish here. So the employment opportunities are going to be very high, and people are getting more employment opportunities, and their income level is going to grow. So, in spite of even the electronic components industry, in which many schemes have been given, MSMEs fund 10,000 crores recently. What in this budget we have given, and when the same chief minister who claimed that Tamil Nadu has got the maximum number of MSMEs in India. Now, when we give this much of funds, Tamil Nadu is the first state is going to get benefited. So, naturally, as a chief minister of Tamil Nadu, he should have thanked this budget for giving so much of opportunities in many fields, let it be electronic components or service industry or semiconductor industry, rare earth minerals, and for fishermen, exports. See, so many opportunities have been given, and I don't understand why the chief minister is not able to see what is good, and why the chief minister is not hearing what is good, and he always talks all bad about the the central government. I don't understand. This is something, and also he says that at least during the election year. What does he mean by at least during election year? This is a continuous process. This is in this century, this is the second quarter budget, and this is towards the Viksit Bharat, the development Bharat. So I think any person who is holding a post of chief minister should have been very happy welcoming this budget, and if not, I feel he is already has accepted his defeat, and he has now itself started to talk as an opposition in the coming years, and rightly so. I think he is doing the same.
Same chief minister and